Yeah, man, what go on from your advice, you don't know, say, Bones they represent for Sunday and Bones TV. You see it, and you don't know Queenie and Dewey go through them little thing, you don't know. Me not go put all of the blame on Dewey alone still. No, Queen him do things to know, you see it, so you don't know. And them have to know how to work out them thing. Right now, I know them are work it out, you see it, and you know, people are going to up on the outside, I have for them opinion and things, so you can't fight them when they have them opinion. So the lady, she have her fair opinion still, now, you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get it right as a job, you see it. And remember to follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. You see it? And the lady just there speak her mind still. She said she never talk about it, but everywhere she goes, she see it. So she have fair too where she have put on it, you see me? So we are going to make you hear what go on, you see it?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Mishi. You know, I said I wasn't going to touch this topic again. I really meant it. But everywhere on social media, like wherever I scroll, I keep seeing Queenie and Dewey. Everybody's talking about it. It's sad. It's sad. Like, I could see if y'all, like, broke up, nobody knew, or y'all broke up for some other irrelevant reason, then I can see with it and be like, okay, well, you know, whatever. But, like, he disrespected you, like, bad. Numerous times. And it's like, that's my husband. I don't give a fuck. You disrespect me like that, I'm not claiming you as my husband. Get the fuck out of here. But see, this is why the other day I did my live and said, nobody can make Queenie fall out of love with Dewey but her. So we can talk, actually y'all, because I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm just like kind of curious about the situation, because it's like, huh? Like, I like Queenie. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just like really curious. The reason why I say I don't give a fuck is because everybody have their own life to live. But that's not stopping me from having shit to say. Everybody got their fucking opinion. Why I can't have my fucking opinion, right? Oh my gosh. Like, people are losing so much respect for her. Women are losing so much respect for her. And a lot of these women looked up to Queenie, you know, Queen Wave, you know? And it's like they're losing respect for her because of the situation. I can even, okay, let's think about it. I could say, okay, worst case scenario, he cheated on her, whatever, and numerous times, and she didn't know about it. Nobody knew about it at all. Even if just it was where just she knew about it, I could see with that, because nobody knows your business, bro. So if you want to be a yamhead, you be a yamhead all you want, right? But everybody knew, like, most of your life was on social media. So everybody is looking at this like, the fuck? Why is she even entertaining him? His shit must be that good, bro. Like, his shit must be really good. It's the disrespect for me. I hope y'all understand. It's the disrespect for me. It's like, him disrespecting her so much, that's what I got a problem with. Nobody says cheating, you should be cheating. No one should cheat. Like, when you ready to, like, move on, just move the fuck on. But, bro, he did the shit in your face all over. He wasn't even quiet with the shit. Everybody saw. But that's her husband. Because she'll tell you in a heartbeat, that's your husband. She's putting no one in front of her husband. Dewey, I give it to you, bro. You good. Like, hats off to you. Because I don't know what you did. Like I said, your shit must be the bomb. Because you can do whatever the fuck you want, and she's still gonna take you back. She's still gonna take you back. She's still gonna love you. And that's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying before. No matter how much people have shit to say, she has to get over him on her own. And she's not ready to get over him. She's deeply in love with him. That's who she loves. I mean, just respect it and stop judging him. Stop criticizing, because at the end of the day, you're wasting your breath. She has to see for herself. So if there's something for her to see, let her see it. She's a grown-ass woman. Nobody's paying her bills but her. So if there's anything to see, let her see. Let her make the decision that she needs to make. We can't do that. We can't do it for her. But God motherfucking damn. Like, I keep seeing that shit all over. Everybody have different things to say. Like, y'all was physical with each other. That shit is a red flag from the beginning. Because if you physical with me, first of all, you getting your shit busted. To see, let her see it. She's a grown-ass woman. Nobody's paying her bills but her. So if there's anything to see, let her see. Let her make the decision that she needs to make. We can't do that. We can't do it for her. But God motherfucking damn. Like, I keep seeing that shit all over. Everybody have different things to say. Like, y'all was physical with each other. That shit is a red flag from the beginning. Because if you physical with me, first of all, you getting your shit busted. That's first of all. Second of all, I will never talk to you a day in my life. I don't care, husband. I don't care who the fuck you are. You can't contact me. That's abuse. Y'all fight one time, y'all gonna fight again. You're walking with the next female disrespecting you, throwing shade and shit. In front of everybody. It's the disrespect for me, bro. It's the disrespect. Like I said, he could be disrespecting you behind closed doors. You should take that shit serious. But for everybody to see that shit and then you go back to him, that's serious, serious, serious. Like I said, Dewey, big up yourself. I heard you reach here in America. Do you? Because at the end of the day, we don't know what arrangement they have with each other. And I said this. We don't know what arrangement they have with each other. We don't know. Remember, they get the views and all that shit like that or whatever. It could be because of views. It could be because she know that he young. He gonna want to experience shit. She let him go experience it. But at the end of the day, I'm the wife. And nobody gonna take that shit away from me. She could be thinking like that. Who the fuck knows? She's older, like myself. She fucked with a young dude and he put it on her. Hey. That's what she liked. That's what she loved. And like I said before, do he love her? Yeah, I think he does. He have a love for her. Yes, I think he does. Do he want to do what the fuck he want to do? Yes, he does. Is she going to let him do it? Yes, she is. There's no doubt about that. Because, come on, you fucking see the shit, right? Anyway, like I said, Dewey, Queenie, big up yourself. Because everybody's talking about y'all.